Have you ever wondered how businesses make data-driven decisions? Let's explore Power BI, a powerful business analytics tool. Power BI allows users to visualize data and share insights. According to Microsoft, it connects to various data sources, making analysis seamless. Why is this important? In today's data-driven world, organizations rely on real-time analytics to stay competitive. Power BI helps turn data into actionable insights. Take Netflix as an example. They use Power BI to analyze viewer habits and preferences, optimizing their content offerings. In summary, Power BI is more than just a tool. It empowers organizations to make informed decisions based on data. Are you ready to unlock the power of your data?